Welcome to the recorded class. This is the pre-kinder level online class. For today's date, it's March 28, 2025, and I am Teacher Bell for the pre-kinder level class. Now, for this video, I am going to have a short review of the short O and short U CVC words. So to start with, what are the words that we have for the O sound? The ones with the O sound in the middle. So these are the following. Some of them we have dot. So the first word here is dot. You end your sentence with a dot. Or letter I, the lowercase I has a dot at the top. Another one, we have the word pot. I can cook using the pot. I have the soup in a pot. Next one, we have part of the door. It's the knob. I open the door using the knob. And here we also have the word dog. I have a pet dog in the house. So these are some words with the O sound, the short O sound. Remember, it has O in the middle, O sound. Now, what about for the words with the sound in letter U here, like in upside down? Letter U has the sound. It is found in the word nut. So this one, this kind of nut is an acorn. There's also U in sub. Sound sub. I see the sub in the ocean. Another one, cub. A baby bear is called a cub. Ub. That's the sound in the middle. And then we have sun. The sun shines bright. If it's sunny, Mr. Sun is shining bright. So all of these words we will have to discuss in our work for today. But how about, since I told you I am going to have a short review, let's spell some of our words here in our screen. So here we have missing letters in our word dog. So just like in our class, remember, we get to sound spell so that we can remember the letters that we need to write. So the first word is dog. What are the letters in dog? D, D. The first letter, D. In the middle, O, and the G sound at the end, letter G. Dog. That's our dog. Another one, we have our mop. So we have M sound, letter M, O sound in the middle, and the P sound at the end to make the word mop. So let me fix our letter P here. So it ends with P, mop. P sound at the end. I have a pet dog. I take care of my dog in the house. The floor is wet. I can mop it. I will use the mop. So these are some of our words with the O sound. How about for the next slide? Let's go jump to box. Box, what are the letters? B, B sound, B. Ox. That's X at the end. Box. I keep my things in a box. Another one, a kind of toy. We call this one a top. So what are the letters? T, T sound. Letter T first. In the middle, there's O sound. At the end, P, P. Letter P to make the word top. The top will spin. So these has letter O. Let's jump to another set. Now, how about the cob? The corn on a cob. So this one is called a cob. You have to take it off first before you try to eat it. You get to boil and then eat it. That's the cob. So what are the letters? K, 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 O, B, B. To make cob. That's C. There's O here and B. Cob. What about another one? A piece of wood here. It's the cut up tree. We call it a log. L sound, letter L. O sound in the middle. And the G sound, letter G. So here we have our O words in the middle. Cob and the log. I have the cob with me. Another one. I also have the log. It's in the ground. I see it. So those are the words with O sound in the middle. Let's jump to another set. This time, we have the sound, letter U in the middle. So we have our bug. What are the letters in bug? B, G. That's our word, bug. The bug is small. I see the bug crawling. Bug. Next one, we have our mug. Mug. So we have g. I see my mommy drink coffee from a mug. Or I can drink my milk from the mug. So we have bug and mug. Okay, another one. Next set, let's go to bus. We have the first one, bus. I can ride a bus. B sound first, letter B. And then S. That's letter S at the end to make the word bus. I want to ride a big bus. Another one, this time it's the sun. The sun is too hot. So what are the letters? S, sun. The sun is too hot. So we have the bus and we have the sun. Okay, next, done with these. Let's jump to another set, the last set to spell. Okay, this is a kind of candy that you chew. It's the gum. G, g, So you have letter G, U, and M to make the word gum. The gum is too sticky. So if you are trying to chew the gum and if you're done with it, you have to wrap it again in its wrapper and throw it properly. That's a gum. Now the next one, this is called a jug. You put the water, the juice in a jug. So we have letter J, sound in the middle, and the G sound, letter G at the end. Let me fix this one. So we have J. That's how you write your J. A line down and a hook. Add a jelly bean on top, your letter G. Go around, up, down with a hook. So you have your jug. I will chew the gum. I keep the water in the jug. So those are words with a sound, letter U, sound. Let's jump to the next part. Now, I gave you an assignment. It is about the words with letter O and the booklet for your letter U. Now, for this one, I want you to check with me. Let's answer it together on the screen. Now, if you're not yet done with your work in your assignment, it is okay. You can follow this one as your guide while watching it. Now, how about for this part, we get to do our OG words. Words that has O and G in the word, OG sound. So we have to write O-N-G, OG, and if we add D-O-G to make the word dog. See, one of our OG words, it's the dog. Now let's color first for our words. This time, we have the first word, dog, D-O-G, dog. Next one, where is log, L-O-G? This one is log. I have the cog. A cog is part of the machine. It helps it spin. You find it in a watch. You find it in your appliances, maybe in the aircon, in the refrigerator, inside a TV. Cog, C-O-G. This one is the cog. Another one, you have your jog. If somebody wants to stay fit, they jog. J-O-G, this is jog. And then fog, the thick air that goes down, that's your fog. It covers everything around you. It's hard to see when there's a fog. Now, in this work, you get to write D-O and the letter G, dog. L-O and the letter G, log. C-O and the letter G, cog. Jog, J-O and the letter G, jog. And fog, F-O and the letter G, we have the fog. Now, for our next page, we get to also do our OG words here. Let's cut out the pictures and we get to paste our OG words. This one is wed. It's not an OG word. This one is fog. We get to paste fog. Another one, this is jog. We also have our dog. Mat is not an og word. Cut is not an og word. Bed is not an og word, but log is an og word. Let's write for these words. We have F, O, and the letter G, fog. J, O, and the letter G, jog. D, O, and the letter G, dog. And log, L, O, and the letter G, log. So these are the og words that you need to write and work on. Now, if you're not yet done with this page, we will move on to the next. But you can pause the video if you're not yet done. Okay, next we get to do op words. This time it ends with the P sound at the end. You have O and P, op. H-O-P makes the word hop. The bunny knows how to hop. So let's color for our correct words. Pop, P-O-P. This is pop. Hop, H-O-P. Top, T-O-P. Cop, C-O-P. And mop, M-O-P. Mop. So let us write. We have pop, P, O, and letter P. This is pop. H, O, and letter P. Hop. T, O, and letter P. Top. C, O, and letter P. Cop. M, O, and the letter P. Mop. Now, there are some pictures that we need to fix on this part. So, let me fix it, okay? It will just take a minute. So, let me fix this one. There's something wrong with teacher's screen. I wasn't able to fix the pictures. I'm so sorry. I'll get to show it to you here on our screen. For your work, I hope that you finished it. But if you're not yet done, you pause the video, play it again once you are done. So let me go back and show you the work. This time we have our OP words and we get to cut and paste. So what are the words with the op sound? Mop is one, but wag, the dog will wag. It's not an op word. Top is an op word, but 10 is not an op word. Set, I set the table. It's not an op word. Pop is an op word. Hop is an op word. And sip, it's not an op word. So let's write. This time, where are the words? We get to fill it in the space. Mop, M, O, and letter P, mop. T, O, and letter P, top. P, O, and the letter P, pop. H, O, and the letter P, hop. So those are the words that you need to do for op words. Let's erase the writings, but if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's jump to another set. This time, it's the ot words ending with T. Ot sound, O and T together. So let's write O and T, that's ot. And if we write the letters, we get to add H. And then there's O and T. It makes the word hot. So the first word that we need to color for is pot, the cooking pot. Where is pot? Pot. This one is pot. I cook my soup in a pot. Next one, a cot. A cot is a folding bed. So where's cot? Ot, cot. This one is cot. Another one, there is a dot. D-O-T. This one is dot. The sun is too hot. This one is hot. And last one, rot. I throw the rotten food in the trash. The apple will rot. Where's rot? R-O-T. This one is rot. So let's spell out for our words again. We get to copy it. P, O, and letter T, pot. C, O, and letter T, cot. D, O, and letter T, dot. H, O, and letter T, hot. R, O, and letter T, rot. Now, for the next part of our work, it is to paste, to cut and paste our pictures. This time, we have our odd words. Let's find them. Dip is not an odd word. Let's put it on the side. But pot is. That's right. Let's put it here. Dot, also an odd word. Hen, it's not an odd word. But caught is. Let's put it here. Hit, it's not an odd word. Hat, not an odd word, but hot is one of our odd words. Let's write. So we have P, O, and letter T, pot, D, O, and letter T, dot, C, O, and letter T, cot, H, O, and letter T, hot. Now, we have all our odd words, and this time, let us jump to the other page. But if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Now, for the next page, we have the words that end with X, with M, and with B. We get to write them down, we get to read them also. O and X, that's the ox word. Then if we add B, O, and X makes the word box. O and M, But if we add M, that's mom. Another one, ob words, O-B, ob. And then if we add C, O, and letter B, that makes cob. Ob, cob. Let's color for our right word. The first one, fox. This one is fox. The fox lives in the forest. Another one, it's the bob. A bob is a kind of game. So you need to get the apples in a vat filled with water, and the apples are floating. You use your mouth instead to get it instead of your hands. And then the last one is mom. Where is mom? M-O-M. Mom. I love my mom. So let's write for our words. F-O-X, that makes the word fox. B-O-B, that's the bob. And M-O-M, that's mom. Next one, let's get and paste all our pictures. So what are the words that we need to look for? Words that end with OX, with OM, and with OB. Wet is not one of those words. Tag is not one of those words, but we get to put box. Pen doesn't have the O sound in the middle, but mom is an word. Wig, it's not one of our words. Fox, we can paste here on the side, and bob as well. So let's try to write for all the words. B-O-X, we have box. Oops, sorry, let me fix that. I'm using a new mouse for this. Okay, we have mom, M-O and M, mom, F-O-N-X, fox. And the last one, Bob, B-O and B, Bob. Let's fix our O in the middle. It doesn't look like O. So we have our Bob. Now, we get to finish this page and let's move to the booklet. But again, if you are not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Now let's jump to our booklet. And this time, it's my book about short U. Now we get to go to the first page. Now let me remind you, some of the pages, I think we don't have the same page, but you get to write your words. For this one, I see a bus. That's B-U-and-S, bus. This is our sentence. It is a bus. Again, I see a bus. That's the bus in the road. Another one, I see a nut. What are the letters? N, U, and the letter T, nut. A nut is a kind of snack. It is yummy. Again, I see a nut. Another one, we get to go to hut. So what are the words here? I see a hut. What are the letters? H, U, letter T, hut. So we have our hut. A hut is a kind of house. I see a hut. Another one, we get to also write for the sentence of cup. So what are the letters in cup? C, U, and the letter P, cup. I see a cup. Again, I see a cup. We have our cup. You can drink your milk, your water from a cup. Next one. I see a sun. Our missing word, S, U, and N, sun. So we have our sun. The sun shines bright. I see a sun. The next one, we get to move on to the next page, and that is for our tub. I see a tub. What are the letters? T, U, and the letter B, tub. We have our tub. Again, I see a tub. Let's erase this one, and let's go move on to the last part. I see a rug. The rug that you see on the floor. R, U, letter G, rug. So let's read it again. I see a rug. That's rug. Let's erase this one. And that ends our work for today. That is going to be the last page of your work, the sentence from your booklet about the rug. And if you finished watching this video and if you're done with your work, good job for you. And how about I give a sticker friend for each one of you? So Rufa, I'll be placing you here in the pink owl. Then I will move you here to the blue hedgehog. Mimay, Amelia, I'll put you here in the dog with a ribbon. And then Noah, I'll go put you here in the white dog with a guitar. Now, some of you might not have this work, but I want you to still remember the lesson that we had, the short O and short U words. I hope that you finish the work in your assignment for today. And I will see you again next time. Bye-bye!